Hey, so we've got this problem and it wants us to simplify the rational expression that they gave us. All right. So I'm going to split this into two parts and then bring them back together at the end. So we have our numerator, which says t squared minus 36, and our denominator, which says t squared plus 11t plus 30. All righty. We're going to try and factor this into like its factors. So for this first one, I see this part is squared and this part is 6 squared. So I have a difference of squares, and we have a property for differences of squares when we're trying to factor. If we have a squared minus b squared, this is a plus b times a minus b. All right, so I'm going to apply that here. So whenever I factor this, I'm going to get t plus 6 times t minus 6. All right, so that's this first part. This is the numerator. Then going over here to the denominator, I see this 30. So I'm looking for things that multiply together to get 30 and add together to get 11. So I'm going to look at the factors of 30. So 30 factors into, I could do 10 and 3. I could do 5 and 6. I could do 6 and 5. I could do 3 and 10. I could also do 1 and 30 and 30 and 1. I could also do 15 and 2, 2 and 15. Um, that looks like all the factors. And the reason like I have them like 5 and 6 and 6 and 5, these would be different if there was like a negative sign here. But this is what it factors into. So I have to see which ones add up to 11. And so the only ones that add up to 11 are 5 and 6. So we get that this factors into t plus 5, t plus 6. All right. So now that I've done all that, I'm going to erase this part. Now that I've done all that, I'm going to put them back into a fraction. So I'm going to have t plus 6 times t minus 6 over t plus 5 times t plus 6. Now, because I'm multiplying these terms and dividing, this cancels with this. So then I'm left with t minus 6 over t plus 5. And this would be my solution.